Alright, so if y'all can see, so it's been 5 days since my surgery. Let's show y'all. Still healing up. Cool. And what we're doing today, we're waiting for Cristian right now. We decided to move our boat. And I got another cool surprise to show y'all. Dun dun dun! Bed's been built. Here, let's put the bed's been built. We made boss spaghetti before we left. But look at that bed. It'll be done soon. All the electrical's done. It's not house cleaned yet, but we're just doing circles outside the keyhole waiting for our boy, Captian O.K. Whenever Captain O.K. gets here. He's not really doing okay today. Just kidding. He's been a beast. He did a lot of fucking work for me since I can't lift shit, so. That's why we're just doing circles right here. That's all we've been doing. Although I am getting kind of dizzy, so he needs to hurry. God, he's still way over there. We'll update y'all. Sucks because the camera never picks up the pastel. It looks like there's a rainbow going in the sky like this. All the way around. It's really cool. But of course, camera doesn't pick up shit for colors. And look at that bad boy. There's Cristian finally. I don't think he's gonna take the keyhole. But man, if y'all could see the true color of this sunset, you would be jelly. Oh. Look at the creepy kelp forest. Oh, you can't see it. Oh. So our motor is flooded. Our inboard's overheated, and we're basically at adrift. Which is cool. I'm cool with it. We're in a safe distance, but yeah, I'm right in the middle of a kelp forest. Really bad patch. And that absolutely sucks. It is literally coming right for us. There's Cristian. I'm up on the stanchions. I think you lost your flamingos.
I think it's running away.
Yeah, bro. It's coming right for us.
Man, you better grab it.
From the...
Looking for food, right?
That's good stuff. He's looking for food. Yeah. It's coming right for us. Bro, go get the fucking katana and take the head off. Oh, that's cool. It's a little pool floaty. That's nifty. Cup holders and everything. Oh, there's a baby seat in the back of it. What? Oh, it's a cooler?
Yeah.
Well, that tells you what I would have used it for. Dad of the year. Oh, shit. Good thing I don't have kids living aboard with me. Woo. Drifted over here, so we're not stealing it, but we are going to tie it up to see. We're holding it for whoever comes and claims it. And I have to leave Tuesday, so if I still have it Tuesday, I might leave just to ensure the safety and security of this thing.
Come to the zoo with us.
Yeah, we'll take it to the zoo and leave it out there for someone to come and claim.
The zoo, right?
Yeah, it's an animal. It should be in the zoo. That's correct. And I don't have growth on my bottom, so yeah, we'll hold on to it. Y'all saw it floated right to us. That's absolutely salvaging rights right there. Like, I didn't even go and recover anything. It fucking floated right into me.
I walked off the boat onto it.
Yeah, bro. Like, we didn't even have to. We could have just reached over and grabbed it.
Yeah.
Oh, look, he has a little puppy with him. The dude sleeping under the
Yeah.
That's funny.
His puppy was barking when I was calling for Aries.
Party when Jake Smite got locked in the cage.
I was there. I put him in the cage, motherfucker.
Oh, they're going in there.
You remember why they did that to him? He was so feeding for beer.
No, so what it is we side tied our boats. We tied them together in the bay and have a lot of people over. His mom's down below cooking with one or two of the people. And Pops fucking We even have a baby aboard. So, you know, Zero. And him always at drum circle. I can't remember his name. I don't want to be rude. And there's more people coming. We're waiting. There's a lot of people at work too until later. But later we're going to go over there to where all the bonfires are and s'more and shit. Hey. And oh yeah. Didn't make it.
Oh,
Still didn't make it. Oh, there it goes.
it's like rubbery.
Yeah, it's almost there.
Feels like a condom.
It's almost the melting point. Oh yeah, put that on your dick.
Here you go.
No, bro, what the fuck?
Is that that hot dog?
Nigga, hot dog.
Yeah, just a tip.
Dun-dun-dun.
Look, not feel though. Like, no joke.
What? Oh wow, it does.
Right?
Yeah. I'm surprised you know what a condom is.
Right?
I'm just...
I mean, like, they taught me in school.
Yeah, happy birthday. That's about all I remember, right? Oh, that's nasty smoke. Don't breathe that in.
I made masturbation toys out of condoms.
Bro, I'm recording a video right now. Fuck. That's going on YouTube, bro. Happy birthday.
When you fucking like use the back massager?
Look at this nigga lounging around. Hey, bud. Might be a little windy. Hear that? Nothing. The creepy kelp forest. He totally got it stuck in the kelp. Fuck! It's all good though. It's all good. Good stuff. Drugs are bad. Okay. Okay. And there's no wind, by the way, like barely. As you can see, not even enough to keep my main. Ugh. Yay! Better day. Have a good one, Jade. It's a beautiful day. Look, I made it, and I didn't die. Yay! See, not dying's a good thing. I'm having a good day, too. Loud helicopter. How y'all like that? Boom left, jib right, full sail downwind. Yeah, I know, although I only got like 3 mile an hour wind. God damn, y'all are loud. Fucking seals, yo. Those are my bitches calling me. Oh yeah. Daddy's coming. Just kidding. Or am I? Pro selling.